Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm doing something that's very highly requested. You guys ask me all the time what lipsticks I'm wearing. It's generally like 5 or 6 of the same ones that I kind of alternate throughout my days or weeks when I'm wearing makeup. So I thought I would compile a list of all of my favorite go-to nude lipsticks or lip stains, and these are colors that look good or complement like olive skin tone, Indian skin tone really well. They're tried and true products that I have been using for so long now. So I thought I would compile this list and share with you guys my go-to all-time favorite nude lipsticks that are good for Indian or olive skin tone. I believe I do have a video from a few years ago, but I wanted to give you guys an updated list because a lot of the products have changed that I use now. So I thought I would share them all with you. So if you do want to know what are some of my favorite go-to nude lipsticks, then please keep on watching and let's jump right into the video. So for the first lipstick I'm wearing right now, it is the Sephora lipstick in shade number 04. By the way, I will leave them all linked below. This is what the product looks like, and this is the shade, and it's just like a really pretty kind of like mauve-y nude, and it just looks so good, and it goes with every type of look. You can see I have a little bit of a smoky look going, and it looks good with that. I can do a very minimal makeup look, and it looks amazing with that, and it's super comfortable on the lip. It's not drying. It isn't a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't come off, which is really nice because sometimes liquid lipsticks can be super drying. So I love the formula of this, and I do obviously have it on, but I'll just show you guys. I'll apply a bit more. I think this is a lipstick that I have been using for years, and it has been one of my staple products, and I just really like the way this looks. So this is my first favorite nude lipstick. For my second favorite nude lipstick, it is actually a combination of two. So the first one is the Sephora Cream Lipstain in number 76 Desert. It's a really pretty kind of like a nude mauve shade. It is actually very similar to the first one I used, except it's in a liquid lipstick formula. So I do also love this. This is actually one of my favorite line of liquid lipsticks. Sephora's lip stains are the most comfortable, one of the most comfortable. So you can wear this on its own, or if you want to take it one step further and add a little bit of dimension, then I like to usually go in with the Pink Orchid Studio liquid lipstick in Send Nudes, and I just apply it in the center of my lips to give it some dimension and give your lips that pouty look. So this is the second lipstick. For the next lipstick, I have another combination. You guys, I'm like the queen of mixing lipsticks because sometimes when you just use one, it just doesn't cut it, and you need that extra little something to it, which is why I always mix my lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. So for this one, this again is a really pretty nude, kind of like a peachy nude almost. And so I mixed the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Lipstain in the shade Wanted. This is such an underrated product. I love the Victoria's Secret liquid lipsticks. They're super comfortable on the lips. They don't feel drying, have a really good staying power. They last a long time, but they still feel comfortable on the lips. So you could just apply this on its own, but again, if you want that little bit of a pouty look and want to add dimension to your lipsticks or to your lips, then I always again mix my lip stains. So first I go in with the Victoria's Secret liquid lipstick in Wanted. This is a little bit of a deeper brown tone, and then in the center of my lips I go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. This is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, or sorry, lipsticks. I even use this on its own when I don't want to go for like a heavy makeup look. This is like my go-to lipstick on its own when I'm barely wearing any makeup and I just need some color to my lips. So yeah, I love these products together, and they're so comfortable on the lips. They don't get dry or chapped. So yeah, one of my other favorite formulas. My next favorite product is these L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks, and I mixed two of them. So I take this one. This is the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade 840 Nature's Bush. It is a really pretty nude. You can again apply this on its own, but I like mixing it. Use the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine lipstick in the shade 900 Glossy Fawn. This is a really pretty, kind of like a glossy lipstick, and I think it looks really pretty applied on top of the first shade. It just adds a really nice kind of sheen to it. It's really comfortable on the lips. The only downside is that you will have to reapply this, because if you eat, it will come off. It's not a mattifying or matte liquid lipstick type of lipstick, so that's the only thing. But this color is so pretty, and I just love using it because it's so comfortable on the lips. And I always tell my mom to use this too because it looks really pretty on her. But that is the next lipstick. Last but not least, we have this Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Lip Stain in the shade Perfection. It's more on the pinky mauve side compared to Wanted. I'll just show you guys what the difference is. So this is much more deeper brown, and this is more on the pinky side. So I love using this on its own. Again, similar to the other one, super comfortable formula. It looks really pretty on its own, which is the way I like to wear it. I do sometimes mix it with Wanted as well, but I think I like it on its own. It's a really pretty kind of like refreshing tone and super youthful looking. So yeah, this is my next favorite lipstick. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some new product ideas or new lipsticks that you can try out. And let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite nude lipsticks are. I would love to know, because I honestly have a gigantic list of, or not list, I have a gigantic collection of lipsticks and lip stains, all nude, so I'm always looking to try out new products. So let me know your favorite nude lipstick in the comments below, and I will catch you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.